Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 4 to the power of n plus 2 to the power of n is equal to 8 to the power of n. To find the value of 4 to the power of n minus 2 to the power of n. In the first step, from this equation, we take this 4 to the power of n to this side, and it will be 2 to the power of n is equal to 8 to the power of n minus 4 to the power of n. And in next step, we write 2 to the power of n is equal to, in here we can write this 8 as 2 to the power of 3 and to the power of n, and minus, we can write this 4 as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of n. In next step, from exponential rule, as you know, if we have a to the power of n to the power of m, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, and is equal to a to the power of m to the power of n, right? So, in here, we can write this as 2 to the power of n is equal to, in here, 2 to the power of 3 to the power of n, we can write this as 2 to the power of 3n, and this we can write 2 to the power of 2n, right? And in next step, in here, we want to make this side look like this. So it will be 2 to the power of n is equal to, in here we can write 3n as 2n plus n, right? So we write 2 to the power of 2n plus n, and minus 2 to the power of 2n. We can write 2n as n plus n. And from exponential rule, if we have a to the power of n plus n, this is equal to n plus m. This is equal to a to the power of n times a to the power of m, right? So, in here, we can write this as 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 to the power of 2n plus n. We can write this as 2 to the power of 2n times 2 to the power of n, right? And minus, in here, 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of n. And in next step, 2 to the power of n is common, so you factor 2 to the power of n, and it will be 2 to the power of n. This divided by this, it will be 2 to the power of 2n, minus this divided by this, it will be 2 to the power of n. And in next step, we divide both sides of the equation by 2 to the power of n. So it will be 2 to the power of n over 2 to the power of n is equal to 2 to the power of n times 2 to the power of 2n minus 2 to the power of n over 2 to the power of n. And here, this will cancel this, and this will cancel this, and it will be, in this side, we have 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 2n minus 2 to the power of n, right? And in here, from exponential rule, we can write this as 2 to the power of 2 and to the power of n, right? And minus 2 to the power of n. And it will be 1 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 is 4, so it will be 4 to the power of n minus 2 to the power of n. So 4 to the power of n minus 2 to the power of n is equal to 1, and this is our final answer. So in here we write 1. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.